Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking to boost your earnings with YSense, then you are in the right place. I'm Mahesh Sopari, and after using the platform for several months, I'm really very excited to share some new methods that can significantly increase your income. Stick around as I dive into these exciting opportunities. But please make a note, this is not a get rich quick scheme. It requires a lot of time and effort to put in to generate some sustainable amount of money. But by any chance, if you're really interested in my preferred method to make around $5,000 to $10,000 every month on autopilot, then I request you to please click the first link in the description, get registered and watch the complete presentation. And also, if you stick to this video till the end, then I'm about to give you a bonus worth thousands of dollars absolutely for free. So before we jump in, let's quickly talk about YSense a little bit in case you're not familiar. YSense is a fantastic paid survey site where you can earn by just taking surveys, completing offers, and even inviting others to join. I personally use it for several months and received consistent payouts. If you're new to YSense, then you can please try it. I'll just leave the link in the description down below. Now let's explore the new ways to make money. Once you have logged into YSense, it's quite easy. Just click on sign up. There would be some additional steps you need to follow. Then after, you would be in the dashboard. And you'll find various earning options over here, including paid offers, surveys, and even a daily poll that just take a few seconds of time to complete. Today, we'll focus on the expanded survey section, which now offers even more earning potential. In the past, YSense had a standard set of daily survey routines, but they have recently introduced a whole new section with additional survey options. One standout is CPX research surveys, known for paying well, with some surveys offering up to $10. While these high-paying surveys aren't available in all countries, they do show up regularly. Here's an interesting feature. After completing a survey, you can rate it. Giving a rating not only help others but also earn you an extra cent. It's a unique aspect I haven't seen on other survey platforms. While it won't make you rich, but it adds a nice bonus for a simple click. If you start a CPX survey but don't qualify or complete it for any reason, YSense still rewards you, potentially up to 5 cents. This provides a little comfort and sets YSense apart from other survey sites. So how much can you earn with YSense? While it's not a full-time income, it's a solid survey and get paid to site. So the amount you earn depends on your country. But with these new options, you can boost your overall income. And remember, new surveys are added regularly, especially during holidays and weekends. Whether you are new to YSense or a returning user, now it's an excellent time to explore the platform's enhanced survey experience. I've left the link below for you to join if you're not already a member. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on those notifications. Why? Because it would be motivating me to create new videos, as well as you get notified once I put any new content on my channel. And guys, as I promised you, I would also like to give you a bonus worth thousands of dollars. As you can see on the screen, there are 4 different programs of mine. So the first program indicates like Launchpad Secrets. This program would be helping you to start your affiliate marketing journey. And finally, you'll learn how to make your first $1,000 as an affiliate. So this is a no-brainer. I request you to give it a try. And the second program is Get More YouTube Views Organically. So this program would be helping you out to grow on YouTube and also include affiliate marketing to make some extra money. And the third program is the Stasho method. This is my own program and I've listed it on Digistore24, one of the best affiliate marketplaces in the industry. So you can learn like how to start your own dietary supplement business without any inventory or without any product. And this is also a no-brainer. So I request you to try this product too. And the last program is 7 ways to get your first 5 clients. And this is for those who would like to start an agency or doing any freelance kind of work. So these bonuses you can get absolutely for free and like an whole bundle. So to need access to this bonus, you have to just visit the first link in the description, get registered, watch the presentation, and alternately, once you have done with that, you would be receiving an email from our team regarding the access to this all programs. So I request you to try this out. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe for more information. Have a great day. Bye bye.